This looks like the kind of hair dryers that they have at the salon when you like sit under it.
It looks like an elephant trunk. Because my hair is so curly, I can never use a hair dryer. And this one, it worked and it didn't leave my hair frizzy.
I think the concept is simple, it just depends on how you're using it. I would use this for deep conditioning.
It probably takes the same amount of time to use this as it does to use like a regular curling wand, but I can't use a regular like curling wand that easily, so I think that this was a little bit easier.